Contact management is a core function of Time Matters. Any person, business, or organization that the firm keeps information about is typically entered as a contact. Let's take a closer look at how contacts are managed from the program by selecting Contacts on the toolbar. The window displays a list of the contacts that have been entered into our database. From the left panel, we can quickly access common tasks. The selected Power View displays key information about the highlighted record without actually opening it. Other Power Views showing different combinations of information can be accessed from the drop-down menu. From the toolbar, we can search or perform other activities on these contacts. We can add, change, or delete contacts from the form. The new Contact Intake Wizard guides us through the process of adding a new record. We can disable the wizard and enter new contacts directly on the contact form if we prefer. We begin by specifying whether the contact is a person or an organization. The new contact is Albert Green, so person is the correct option. Next, let's assign classification codes to categorize the contact. We can use the drop-down list to pick a single code, or use the lookup button to select multiple codes. Codes related to contacts are listed on the left. Since Albert is both a client and a real estate agent, we pick Client from the list, then click the Add button. And repeat the steps to add Real Estate Agent as well. Let's click the OK button to save our choices. We can assign numbers to contacts who are also clients. Let's enter Albert's client number and indicate that work done for the client is billable. Then click Next to continue. Now let's enter more information about the contact. For the reference name, we type Albert's full name as we want it to appear on the contact form. We also break down the name into individual components to use when searching and sorting. The salutation, prefix, and suffix are used when addressing invoices. We can complete the personal information by adding firm, title, or website if known. We can then add phone numbers. The firm and title information automatically populate as part of the contact's address since we previously entered them. We add the address and email, then click the Next button. To reach the end of the wizard, we have the option to open the contact form, but let's choose No. We click Save, which returns us to the Contacts window, where Albert Green displays in the list. On the Change form, the initial information we entered using the new Contact Intake Wizard displays in the top section. The form contains additional options not available from the wizard that allow us to set up notifications and triggers, put the contact into review, mark it private to restrict access, and update the status. Areas 4 and 5 contain fields that can be customized for the firm. Notes can be added in Area 6. We can complete blank fields like adding staff member. In this case, we designate Marilyn Campos. We also update Albert's address. Let's click the Save and Close button to update the database and exit the form. We return to the Contacts window, where the updated address displays on the Power View. Deleting a contact record is a simple process. A contact's related records, such as documents, events on the calendar, and billing entries, are not removed when the contact is deleted. Let's select Albert Green and click the Delete Records button. A message asks us to confirm that we are sure we want to delete the record. Let's click Yes to continue. The contact has been deleted from the list, but can still be restored from the recycle bin if it was removed in error. Now that you are familiar with how to add, change, and delete contacts, You can learn more about related records, like events and to-dos, or about the recycle bin by selecting other lessons.